Phuket Collie, there's Alfie, and we're in the park today. We're going to go out today, do a few things around town. I thought we'd take you with us if you want to come. Just menial things. We'll probably meet a few tourists. I've got to go to my optician and pick up my eyes. Who's that? Who's that? Gonna say hello? Ni hao. Hello.
Is a girl?
No, he's a boy.
Boy.
Yeah. Where are you from?
China.
And where?
Changsha. Changsha.
Oh, Changsha. He's from Qingdao.
Oh, you're from Qingdao.
Qingdao go.
Qingdao go.
Oh, it's a wet day today. Well, we just managed to get out for about half an hour ago. It's been raining all night, torrential, and it's just cleared up now. It's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Well, it's actually about 2:30 in the afternoon. It's just cleared up. So we thought I'd just pop out, do a quick little vlog. You know, nothing too serious, because we don't take ourselves that seriously. I know we like to have a little bit of fun while we're vlogging, you know. I know it's all about information, you want to know everything. but we just like to go around Phuket and show you beautiful things. You know, breathtaking things. That's Alfie, the Phuket Collie. We're just going to go around into Karon Avenue, see what that's like today. Might even pick up a coffee. No, I can't. Can I? Yeah, I can. We'll pick up a coffee and we'll have a little sit down and have a yap. Let's go to the shop, Al. In the shop. Come on then. Right, sit there. Sit there now. Alfie will sit there. That is the worst 7-Eleven in Karon. Just for service. And it's a little bit overpriced as well compared to the other 7-Elevens. The new tuk-tuks, actually I prefer the old ones instead of these ones. Come on then, let's go. We are down at the north end of Karon at the moment. Alfie's girlfriend. Yeah. What's the coconut, man? We're going to go up the opticians today and try and get some glasses. Not sunglasses, no. I need some reading glasses. We're going to look at prices, go look at styles, and I've got to pick up my contact lenses today. So we'll see if they've arrived, how much they are, you know. Because if you're going to come over here to stay in Phuket, you might need to do these things every month, you know, get some contact lenses, etc. So we're going to go and do that, okay? It's not too far from here. Let's go. It's all hair. It's hair, yeah.
Cut hair then? How many times you cut?
No, I don't cut his hair.
Oh,
No,
it's
very
gone
bad.
themselves.
Yeah, it comes off itself.
What's his name? I forgot.
Alfie.
Alfie. Alfie.
Oh, we can have a little lie down. Now we're at Lady Gems. This is a jewellery lady. Yeah, my jewellery lady. She's got a nice shop here. Lady Gems. Hello. Get in then. Let's get in then. Hello, Swaddy Cap. Swaddy Cap ladies. Okay, Phil? Right, we're in there. We've come up to get our contact lenses. Now I wear multifocal contact lenses, a little bit more expensive than the normal ones, but it means I can read and close and far away and see far away.